So hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about Procreate's gestures, and if you are someone who is new to Procreate, and this video is going to be quite helpful for you. Also, before we move ahead, I just want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and also do follow me on Instagram. And if you do create something out of my tutorials, and just tag me on Instagram, and I will give a link down in the description as well. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video.